Yes, I'm lightning, Molly, throwing lightning bolts. Hit a headshot, they call me Daddy Stinger, no jokes.
Hello YouTube, my name is Light Malloy. Today, let me tell you, we got something I thought we would never get. I replace the mixer. That's why we haven't been making content. I got this bad boy right here. Right here. Look, it's the Yamaha MG10XU. That's a big boy. Big mixer. Big stuff. Big! Let me open my knife. Here's your mixer. Put it on the desk, but it looks pretty good. We got buttons. We got knobs. The guys tells you don't worry about. Size does not matter. Hashtag ladies. I love you, mixer. I'm sorry that you don't work. Maybe we'll try to fix you. And if we fix you, we'll mix sell you because we got you. Yo. Ready colors. And we got facts. Okay, so you're under the mix desk. We're pretty good. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 XLR channels. We got a foot pedal. Don't have that yet. Got a line. We got a line. We got a line. You got something. Your out. Your headphones. Your USB, which this is why you buy it. Right there. You need USB to hook up to the computer. You got a little screen, and then you go woo! So this is the Yamaha MG10XU unboxing. I'm happy. We're gonna hook it up to the big microphone. I'll buy. Subscribe and like. We're coming, boys. I got some beef with somebody. I'm looking at you, Sketch. Yeah. Yeah. Hello, brother. Tuesday.